Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the joint reliable. Clean both parts with degreaser and dry them. Once done, sand to scuff the metal so the glue can bite. You then select the right adhesive, epoxy for gaps and strength, cyanoacrylate for small precise joints, acrylic for quick structural fills, and mix or ready the product per instructions. Apply a thin, even bead to one surface, press parts together, and provisionally clamp to establish contact and alignment as you move to curing. Once clamped, your focus shifts to controlled curing and alignment. Make sure you mix the adhesive at the exact ratio required and remove any air bubbles before application, because voids weaken joints. Apply adhesive to one side, mate the parts, then fine-tune position quickly. Use shims or temporary fasteners to maintain gaps and alignment. Maintain recommended temperature and humidity. Monitor exotherm on large epoxy volumes, and allow at least the minimum cure window. Premature stress will cause failure, so be patient and precise. After the full cure, you finish the joint so it performs. Remove clamps, inspect for squeeze out, and sand or file as needed to restore shape. Use progressively finer abrasives for a smooth transition. Then apply a protective coating to prevent corrosion and UV damage, and let that dry. Test the repair by applying a gradual load rather than a shock. If you see cracking or separation, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify surface prep and adhesive choice. If adhesion
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.